And he found Tom at the desk. Just, Tommy, what's going on? What happened? He goes, oh, Major, I give up. 3 weeks I work here and we don't have any case. It's too quiet. Says, Tomas, I know that they put you here so you can relax. But why did you put the white bedsheet? Where is the American flag? He said, oh, it's there in the freezer. Lana, kumanaw tatinay siyang kufrag sa babay freezer sa soday bandera ng Amerikano. Pues na lagmus, asod na loko i-telefon. Diyan paki. So, Tomas, why is the phone and a gun inside the freezer? Yeah. There's no reason for the phone to ring, so I just put it there so it can cool off. He says, whose gun is that in the freezer? He goes, that's Rudy's gun. I put Rudy's gun in the freezer because he's in the back sleeping. Ay, Tomas. So that's the story of Uncle Frank Agigi. May he rest in peace. And before I let go and we start the raffle, one more story about Tomas. Like, we were together at the Highway Patrol, and we used to get federal funds from the federal government. And we got a Camaro undercover car so that we could go out and do speed enforcement. And he was the primary receipt holder for that Camaro. And he said, Pete, man, that Camaro's fast. After we received it night from the Port Authority, he said, you know, I drove that Camaro for 1 hour and every corner, after 30 minutes, my throat was hurting. I said, Lana, like Tomas. So finally, there's these 3 young boys in 2nd grade. They're all arguing whose dad is the fastest dad. So the first boy was a Filipino. He said, my dad's very fast. He run fast. He throw the knife to the tree. He run. He stand there next to the tree and boom, the knife stick to the tree. So the second guy said, he's Chinese. He goes, I think so, my dad pasta. He shoot bow and arrow. Standing to tree. Boom. Arrow hit tree. Chamorro boy said, lad, no, that's fast. But my dad's faster. He works for the government of Guam. He gets off at 5 o'clock and every day he's home at 2. So, he's faster. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna invite you to my party.